Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 2331. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and you will see this is the front door of the printer here. So you just have to open it, and below is the ink cartridge chamber door. So you have to open this as well, and the ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. Simply press it down and take it out. Now take the new ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging, and the color will go to the color side, so that's the pink. So hold the printer with the other hand and push it in, it will lock itself. Same way do for the black ink cartridge and push it. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and you are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.